into the preparation for the civil services examination, and since then I have been doing that. In the recent 3-4 year, just 2-3 year back, I have also been selected for various electrical exams, PSUSH, Coal India, State Authority. The results are awaited, and in some PSU the process is awaited. Also in RBI I have given.
Just tell us basic difference between VoLTE and LTE.
What's that?
VoLTE and LTE.
VoLTE and LTE. Sir, LTE is a long. Sorry, sir, I can't recall.
What do you mean by cell? Which types of organization it has been done, and whenever if I'm talking about the cell, when it was set up and launched on the basis of collaboration, foreign collaboration has been also mentioned in that video. So what were the basic needs, why this types of setup has been amended in order?
Sir, earlier there was Indian Iron and Steel Company, which was not functioning very well. So later on, with Russian collaboration, India started their steel adventures into that. Furthermore, with Tata Steel entered into the Jamshedpur plant entered into the steel sector. Later on, all those Bengali Steel and Iron Company and all those other were agglomerated when government undertook it into the and later modified it at same.
Even today, what's the share of government of India?
I'm not very sure.
You're not sure. Okay, just make me understand something about IIT Roorkee. If I'm talking about eastern part of India, which types of initiative which has been amended, we can say set up, started by Roorkee even today? Because different types of schemes, you can say different types of mechanism which has been developed in the eastern part of India, and actually the leading part of those regions, areas, is completely leading by Roorkee IIT.
So in the western part, if you see Roorkee, there is Ganga Canal, the most oldest canal of India and most advanced canal of India. We can say that it has been prepared by Thomson Civil Engineering College, which was earlier IIT Roorkee, as it was earlier known as. That has been supplying water to all the western part up to Rajasthan border. I don't know the place, but Rajasthan border, Haryana Rajasthan border. Also, there has been various activities in the recent Roorkee villages is being carried out by IIT Roorkee and its associate. Dehradun Blood Institute has been supplied by the medical expertise of IIT Roorkee, along with the blood donation camps. Other than also in the recent COVID time, a ventilator has been developed by IIT Roorkee, a very low cost ventilator.
It's era of IT, information technology.
Yes, so we can say that.
And now, being an engineer, now you are as okay. Why are not giving the encouragement to develop the IT information technology in our country? Because if I'm talking about the likeness, I'm talking about different types of severe seriousness in our country. We all are lacking facing different types of challenges. Right? If I'm talking about the cyber securities,
yes,
okay, and different types of problems can be created by several cyber crimes. Okay, why you are not taking the initiatives, actions, and you are opted for civil service examination? In spite of it, you should must give the services in that particular field. Right?
I am very well follow with you, sir. I must give. But the things began when I was in first year itself in my college. First year I was a member of the National Services Scheme. There we had to do some civil service work in our nearby villages, Samarkand, Jaipur, Sonali village. They are the villages adjoining IIT Roorkee, some 20-30 kilometers long. When I went there for various programs as blood donation, medical camp, other than that, education camps, we used to teach the students there, social awareness camp. Then we were supplying Jaipur calipers to all those handicapped there for free. So involving in those activities, I saw that there was a huge difference the way which we lived in our college campus and the society which they lived. We used to use the internet up to 100 gigabyte, 1.1 Gbps per second. We enjoyed internet up to 100 Mbps, and they were relying on 2G internet. They were not having electricity up to some 4 to 5 days in a week. We were enjoying solar energy. We were having 24-hour electricity facility.
Okay, last question. What do you mean by PPE?
Protective power kit. PPE, sir, I don't know the full form. I just forgot.
But it was the best we can say a first initiative which has been introduced by Roorkee IIT?
I'm not very much sure about that. I was sure about multi-lateral thing.
Because if I'm talking about Atmanirbhar Bharat,
Yes, sir.
basically this type of initiative which is also boosted by IIT.
PPE sir is all about the protective instrument. It is a protective wear gauze, I will say gown, protective gown which we used to wear in case to mold ourselves from other viruses or other bacteria or pathogens.
That's why I'm asking what's the full form of PPE.
As a follower, sir, I can't recall. Sorry, sir.
What is your job preference?
Sir, administrative service, police service, and then financial service.
Define in district administration. What do you mean by district administration?
Sir, district administration is the collaborative effort of whole district equipments and machinery at function to culminate into a central role. If you see the role of the district administrator, it combines all the government schemes, coordinate with them, coordinate with all other peoples, implement various programs to the margin of their utilities as and how it seemed to be feasible.
Describe the DM post work.
Sir, if in short we can say that the district magistrate is the chief administrator of a district and is the coordinator of all the government scheme and activities which are being implemented in the district.
What is the main work of this DM?
Maintaining law and order.
Only maintaining law and order.
Other than all other activities, but as opposed to the district magistrate, it is the chief magistrate of all the units in the district. So maintaining law and order is a primary responsibility.
Development work.
Yes, sir. It is. I just said that it is a collaborative effort, cooperative effort. But if we are talking about only single thing that what DM does, primary, most important, then it's the maintenance of law and order.
Do you know about your post?
Which post, sir?
SDC. What is the main work of this post?
Sub-divisional officer. I am not
Senior
very much
deputy
sure.
collector.
No, sir. I am not very much known to that thing yet.
What is its promotional function?